is Nirmala Suwal, a grad student here at University of Toledo. This video is on beam column joint hinge generator for shear and bond slip behaviors. To get notifications about latest videos from this channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain about our work on deriving plastic hinge curves that are shear stress strain and moment rotation curves for a beam column joint, and these curves are required when modeling a beam column joint in a global frame analysis software. So this spreadsheet file is a part of our research study under supervision of Dr. Serhan Gunnar, and this spreadsheet file can be easily downloaded from this website under spreadsheet sections, which is number 7. Beam column joint hinge generator for shear and bond slip behavior. So you can click this file and get a copy from here. So in this file there are two types of joint model. One is joint model 1, which is based on the study of Shear 2013, and joint model 2, which is based on the study of Shear et al. 2011. Joint model 1 is applicable for both interior and exterior joints with or without transverse reinforcement. So here all the green cells are input values and all the blue cells are the calculations and output values. So you can select your joint type, either interior or exterior, the reinforcement, bottom beam reinforcement, straight embedment or hooked, your cross-section properties, reinforcement properties here, concrete property, axial load. So once your input values are provided, the blue cells are calculated automatically, and the definitions of these parameters are provided on the right side here. So in the blue cells you will get shear strength of beam column joint and its equivalent moment capacity, also bond strength and equivalent moment capacity for bond, and the final output is this shear stress strain curve and moment rotation curve. Joint model 1 is modeled as a plastic hinge or rotational spring in a beam column joint in a global frame analysis. So the input parameter for rotational spring is the moment rotation curve, or these values when defining the input in global frame analysis. So this is exterior joint and interior joint on the right side. So this is how we get plastic hinge curves for beam column joint using joint model 1. Similarly, in joint model 2, it is only applicable for exterior joint without transverse reinforcement. Here the green cells are again the input cells. So you will select your joint type, the bottom reinforcement, either hooked or straight embedment, and the blue cells are calculations which will be performed automatically. And the final output is shear stress strain curve and moment rotation curve. For joint model 2, there are two types of spring. They are shear spring and rotational spring. So shear spring has a property of shear stress strain curve, and rotational spring will have moment rotation curve. So once these curves are ready, we can define these springs as a plastic hinge in global frame analysis. So more detail about the spreadsheet file and all the calculation involved, you can check our papers, which is a journal paper 25th, Nonlinear Modeling of Beam Column Joints in Forensic Analysis of Concrete Buildings. You click here and you will get more detail about these two models here. So this is for model 1 and this is model 2. Also, we have an associate file with this spreadsheet. It is a user bulletin number 10, and you can click here. You will get a user bulletin where it explains how spreadsheet file works, and you can see the flow charts that is involved, the symbols here, and also the validation of spreadsheet file for each joint model for different types of experimental specimen. So this is all about joint model 1 and joint model 2. Thank you for your attention. You can cite our work by using this detail, and please subscribe our channel for more videos in future. Thank you.